So to solve such an equation whereby they are all square roots, so we have square root of x plus 1 plus square root of 5x plus 1, and then is equal to 2 square root of x plus 6. So we have such an equation. So to solve such an equation, the first thing you do is we begin by squaring both sides. So that's the single best method that you can use in such a case to simplify such a thing. So we square both sides. Now when you square both sides and expand, you realize that you'll have x plus 1 and then plus 2 square root of x plus 1 into 5x plus 1 plus 5x plus 1 is equal to 4 into x plus 6. Now, doing some simplification and then rearranging, correcting like terms together, we realize that you will have a 2 square root of x plus 1 into 5x plus 1 is equal to 22 minus 2x. So after collecting like terms, when you expand 4 times x and then 4 times 6, simplifying, you get what we have down here. So if you get to pull out a common factor, we shall have 2 square root of x plus 1 into 5x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 11 minus x. So we can divide throughout by 2 to remove the other 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2. So end up staying with a square root of x plus 1 into 5x plus 1. So if you are understanding and getting it clear, please consider subscribing or sharing it with your friends. So is equal to 11. So square 11 minus x, you square both sides to remove the remaining square root. That's the purpose. So we remain with x plus 1 into 5x plus 1 is equal to 11. We expand this other side, 1 to 1 minus 22x plus x square. Now when we expand those two brackets, x plus 1 into 5x plus 1, we realize that we shall have 5x square and then plus 6x and then plus 1 is equal to 121 minus 22x plus x square. Now, doing some rearrangement, doing some rearrangement and simplifying, collecting like terms, so we shall have x square plus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. So you rearrange, divide through by a common factor. So you will have something like 4x square plus 28x and then minus 120. Dividing throughout, we have by a common factor, which is 4. Then we shall have x square plus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. So solving the equation, the quadratic equation, we shall have x minus 3 into x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now, either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or our x plus 10 is equal to 0. So therefore, our value of x can be 3 or our value of x is negative 10. As simple as that. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe if you are new to this channel. And if you are enjoying this content, we meet in the next. Thank you.